me last year, so just get up on my face. They all up in my inbox, so I know they wanna taste. I know they want my
Hey guys, it is your girl, the Makeup Plug, and I'm back again with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the slayage of this nail tutorial. Hey guys, so we're going to start off with bare nails. My nails are already prepped, so what I'm going to do now is go into that base coat, and this is a gel base coat, and I'm starting off with this before I do the polygel. And I will list the brand below in the description box, so please look at the description box for everything that I used in this video. And I do go under the UV lamp for 10 seconds just because you don't need to cure your nails for that long. And so following after that, I'm going to use these nail forms for the polygel just because I did want it longer nails, so this is going to help me achieve that. And I do like my forms fitting side by side so nothing is showing. And I am using the light pink polygel, which is honestly my favorite. I love the color that it comes out. I wanted to show you guys how I get the polygel out, and this helps me. It's not hard getting the polygel out, but I do hear people complaining that it's hard to get it out the tube, which I don't get, but this is how I get it out. I just rub my tool in the solution and I just push the product out and put it into my form. So what I'm doing right now is just dipping my brush into my solution, and I just wipe off the excess, because if you use too much solution, this will mess up your polygel set because it will stay wet and it will slip inside everywhere under the UV lamp. So I start by using a little bit of polygel because you can always build it up, because this is actually a really good way of actually doing your nails because you can manipulate it multiple times. And I didn't want to speed this part up just because I wanted to show you guys in real time like how fast it actually just takes me when you just take your time. And I always like putting more product at the bottom than I do the top because I like having a nice sharp top that I can sculpt very nice. And I did see that I needed a little bit more at the top, so I wanted to show you how small of a ball that I grabbed from the polygel. If your brush starts to get too dry, it will pick the polygel up, so remember just to dip it in solution and wipe the excess off just so you won't have so much on your brush. How do you guys feel about polygel? Is it your favorite? Are you having problems with it? Do you like the thermal sets of polygel? Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about polygel? Okay, so now that we are finished, I am going to just press this onto my nail, and the gel base will actually protect your nail from any damage or anything like that. So I'm just lightly pressing that onto my nail, and if I see any like thing come out the sides, I'm actually just going to pick up my brush like how I see at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm actually just pushing that down instead of pushing it up, because if you push it up, you'll actually see a ridge on your nails once it's done drying. So now I'm going to go under my UV lamp for actually 90 seconds, and I chose 90 seconds just because of how long the nail is. And now we can pop that form off, and once it's fully dry, it's actually easy to get this form off. You literally just pinch the sides and pull it off, and it's very easy. Your nail is fully secured, so you have no worries about anything breaking or ripping off. Now I'm going to do the rest of my nails. I did speed this part up just because it's the same process, but I still wanted to show you the full process. What polygel color should I do next? Let me know in the comments down below. Should I do like a green, like a forest green, or a gray? I'm kind of torn between the forest green because I haven't done a green in so long. Okay, so I grabbed my clear polygel because I'm going to do my pinky finger different, and also I wanted to show you guys how the clear looks like. And the clear is actually really clear, because I know some people complain about their polygel either being yellow or foggy, but I really do like this clear polygel, and I will remember to list it down below. And that is the polygel on my pinky after I cure it, and it looks so good, seriously. And I'm filing my pinky first just because I was just like, let me just do this differently. Like, I was thinking about doing some glitter and encapsulating it on my nails, so it was just a random moment, a random thought. So I was like, let me just do it, because if I like it, I like it. If I don't, I'll just cover it. And this is the glitter I'm using from Michaels, and these glitters are actually really thin, and I'm just picking it up with my finger, and I'm literally just topping it on top of the base coat that I use for the nail. And it literally will stick on there and it will lay perfectly flat. Then I went a little bit more glitter, so I grabbed this Makeup Forever multi glitter, and I'm just pressing that right on top of the other glitter. And this is the finished result after I cure it, and it looks so good. But now I'm going to put a clear coat of Polygel right on top. And I felt like I messed up on this nail just because I felt like I pulled a lot of Polygel, but I did file it down to a nice size. But remember, if you're going to put glitter and encapsulate it right on top with clear Polygel, please remember that a little bit goes a long way, because I had to forget, like, I actually put a lot. Okay, and this is what it looks like after I'm done taking it out the UV lamp. And I don't file it just right then and there. I actually let it sit, and I'm actually filing the rest of my nails. So yes, you'll see me have a little filing session right now. And guys, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what you guys think about this set so far. And I wanted to show you guys what it looks like close up of an unsculpted nail and a sculpted nail. Sculpting Polygel on your nails is so easy. When I say it's effortless, it's so easy. Like, you should have no problem sculpting your nails with Polygel, especially if you use a little bit. Like, I love my nails. They're sharp just like how I like them, and it was so easy to file them. Like, when I say y'all, anybody can do this, anybody can do this. Like, I'm telling you. And even though that this is sped up, this little filing part, also remember to take your time, because you don't want to be in a rush with your nails. Anytime you rush with your nails, you will mess up. So remember, just take your time and everything will come out right. I am loving this shape so far, y'all. Oh, I have glitter everywhere. But the last and not least, I have to file this thumb. I feel like that matters the most. The thumb is when you know you got the filing right. Like, it just makes the look. Y'all, this is the end result of my hand fully sculpted. I love it. It came out amazing, y'all. It looks so good. So right now I'm actually putting a base coat onto my pointer fingernail, and I'm doing this to the top only just because I'm going to do the same thing that I did to my pinky to my pointer finger. And I'm still applying that Michaels gel. Not gel, glitter, sorry. Then I'm going back in with that clear coat of Polygel just to lay right on top, and a little bit goes a very long way. Please do not use too much Polygel, especially if you're trying to do this method. And now I'm just filing along the sides just to make sure that that shape is still there, just because we did add that one coat of clear on top, so I don't want it to be very thick or clumpy. So I'm just going along there and along the top and the sides with a file, and then I grabbed my nail drill and I went on top and I'm just buffing that in just to make sure that my nail is not thick, just because we did add 2 coats of polygel. Okay, now that we are done buffing and filing, I can now top it off with gel top coat. And this came out amazing. All of my nails came out amazing. I wanted to show you guys a close-up of me putting just the top coat on. And after I'm done putting the top coat on all these nails, I'm actually going to be putting it under the UV lamp for 30 seconds. These came out so good. Look how they look, and they aren't thick, they aren't bulky, they just look so good, y'all. Oh my god, comment down below what you think of this set. And this is my hand under the UV lamp for 30 seconds, and this is the end result of both of my hands before I do add the jewels. So you can leave your hands like that, or you can add these pretty pink jewels on your nails. Now I will list everything I got in the description box down below. Okay, so actually I'm using the base coat just because it is thicker than the top coat to stick my jewels on. So I'm taking like a medium jewel and a small and then an extra small. And look how pretty that pink jewel is. And I'm actually using it with my finger. I prefer to use it with a finger than the actual like picker tool. I don't like that. I don't get the hang of it, honestly, and I feel like it just moves everything around. So after I put the jewels on, I'm actually going to be putting my hand under the UV lamp because I actually like this method better than I do like it with glue. And look at my nails, y'all. Look how they came out. They came out amazing. I will be doing another freestyle set again, so please give me ideas in the comments down below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much.